Can you hear that noise? That is my neighbor. She's mowing her lawn. Making all the noise in the neighborhood. He's just polluting everywhere with noise because of a mower. Your solution is an electric mower. So, how to start it? Very simple. You need to ensure that your battery is fully charged, and it's so convenient. After charging it, you can check the charging level by pressing on this charging button, and it blinks green. It tells you the level of where the battery is. 2, meaning we need to charge it full. Yeah, the battery goes first. Flip this open, this side backwards. However, without inserting this safety key, there's no way you can start it. This is more to keep everyone in the home safe, so that in case your child tries to start it, it wouldn't start. So I'll bring the key and fix it, show you how it's done. You insert the key this way. Without a key, it wouldn't start. Adjusting the height is very easy. Guys, you can still hear the noise at the background. That's still my neighbor. You can easily adjust the level to 5 different heights. Usually, I go with 5. If you cut in your lawn and it's so high, start with the highest and gradually go to the lowest. Don't start with the lowest height when your lawn is overgrown, or else you just be giving pressure to yourself. Then you have your waistband here, which can easily be removed. This is a 50 liter. It automatically stops after it's filled up. Coming back on how to start the electric mower. So you press this knob and then you push these pedals backwards. It wouldn't start. Ask me why? Because I'm about to teach you something else. Either I didn't fix the key well, I fixed it in the opposite direction. So I'll need to fix it in the right direction to help me start it. This way. Press it, push it back. Can you hear this noise? Can you hear this sound? It's even musical, right? There's a musical sound. I'm stopping it and you listen to the other sound. That is an annoying sound. With an electric mower, you don't disturb your neighbors.